Most alarm remotes have the basic functionality of arming, disarming, and performing a couple of other functions without letting you know if the operation was successful. In this video, I will show you how the REM3 addresses that. The REM3 is a handheld keypad. By looking at it, you will notice the top half is divided into a left side and a right side. The left side is for partition 1, and the right side is for partition 2. On each line, you will see the standard operations that can be performed on the panel. To prevent accidental presses, the remote buttons are locked after 5 seconds of inactivity. If you try to press any button, the remote will not respond. To activate the remote, press and hold the I button at the top of the remote for 1 second. Assuming your remote is programmed, you should hear a beep and the light corresponding to the panel state should come up. In my case, the arm light came up because the panel is armed. From the lock position, to perform any operation, you first press the I button, then press the operation key, for example, arm, sleep, stay, or off, then enter your code. Let me show you how to do that.
You press the I button, you press the operation, so I want to turn it off, so press off, put my code. My code is the default code, 1234, and then you see it's off, it's off. Let's try stay mode. So I press stay, because the light is still on. I press stay, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and now you see the stay button is there, the stay button is here. Again, my panel arms fast because I have it for demo purposes set for 10 seconds. See, now it's fully in stay mode. If I press the I button, press and hold, stay comes up. If I want to turn it off, press off, my code 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it turns off. Notice everything I press is on the left side because I only have one partition. If you have 2 partitions, then you can use to arm partition 2. You're not going to press the 1, you're going to press 2. So, but in my case, it's not going to work. So I press the I press 2, put my code. Okay. It gets rejected because I don't have a partition 2. So let's see what happens when the alarm goes off. I showed you this at the beginning of the video, but I'll show it to you again. So because it turned off, so I have to put it again. So arm 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's going to arm. Okay, let me set off the alarm. So zone 2 is triggered. So it's going to take some time to connect, but let's see what happens. So I press the I. It still hasn't got the feedback. Let's try again. You see? Now it's telling me that the alarm is off. So to turn it off, press the off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try again. So I press the I, press off. 1, 2, 3, 4.
If you have any suggestions, comments, or questions, please comment below. Also, please consider liking and subscribing to support the channel. See you in the next video.